Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy and fundamental duties. The fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy and fundamental duties are sections of Constitution of India that prescribe the fundamental obligations of the states to its citizens and duties and rights of the citizens to the state. These sections are considered vital elements of the Constitution, which was developed between 1949 by the Constituent Assembly of India. Let's talk about fundamental rights first. So the fundamental rights are defined in part 3 of the Indian Constitution from Article 13 to 35 and applied irrespective of race, place of birth, religion, caste, creed, gender and equality of opportunity in matters of employment. They are enforceable by the courts subject to specific restrictions. The directive principles of state policy are guidelines for the framework of laws by government. These provisions set out in Part 4 of the Constitution are not enforceable by the courts, but the principles on which they are based are fundamental guidelines for governance that state is expected to apply in framing any policies and passing of laws. The fundamental duties are defined as the moral obligations of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. These duties, set out in Part 4A of the Constitution, concern individuals and nations like the directive principles are not enforceable by courts unless otherwise made enforceable by parliamentary law. Fundamental rights embodied in Part 3 of the Constitution guarantees civil rights to all the people living in or outside India. Also, 7 fundamental rights are originally provided by the Constitution: the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right to property, and right to constitutional remedies. However, the right to property was removed from Part 3 of the Constitution by the 44th Amendment in 1978.